In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from advcash.com to your bank account. Before we get started, it's important to know that advcash.com was previously called Advcash. The platform has simply been rebranded, so if you already had an Advcash account, you can log in using the same credentials on advcash.com and continue using it as usual.
Once you're logged into your vet.com account, look at the top menu and click on Send Funds. This section shows all the available withdrawal and transfer options. From the list of options, select Bank. This allows you to send money directly to your local bank account. Vet.com supports local bank transfers, which usually take 1 to 3 business days to complete. The transfer fee starts from around 0.5%, depending on the amount you're sending. Next, click on Local Bank Transfer. If you see a message saying that this withdrawal method is only available for verified users, don't worry. This just means you need to complete account verification first. To verify your account, follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to verify your phone number, upload a valid ID, and enter your home address. The verification process is simple and only takes a few minutes in most cases. Once your account is verified, you'll gain access to the local bank transfer option. From there, simply follow the steps provided, such as entering the amount you want to withdraw and selecting the bank you want to send the money to. After confirming the details, your withdrawal will be processed. And that's it. That's how you can withdraw money from vet.com to your bank account. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.